Blessings, family, blessings. To God be the glory, the honor, the power, the praise. Call me Inspector Gadget today because my inspection has been turning up clues. Like Blue's Clues, we just got a letter. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. I wonder where it's from. So, we waiting on our letter for our subpoena for court. I'm waiting on a letter for court at this moment. You know, there's something called a hidden court case, a hidden court date. It says, in New York, hidden court dates could refer to sealed records or closed hearings in criminal cases, or a court date that is not easily accessible to the public. Sealed records and closed hearings are sometimes necessary to protect sensitive information, victims, or ongoing investigations. You see, where it says sensitive information, victims, or ongoing investigation. These people pretended to be me in court. They also had me locked up in a crazy house on days that I was supposed to attend court. They put me in the crazy house so I could not attend court. They also pretended to be me in court. I got a lot. It's so much I'm putting together right now. I'm not going to come on here and say everything, but I'm going to come on here and say enough. Do you hear me? So I got people pretending to be me in court, signing over power of attorney as if they were me. They are also exploiting me sexually, mentally, physically, emotionally, and financially. They have set people up to have sex with me, to have evidence on a court date, to work against me. These people have done so much to cover up their crimes that they have to have a hidden court date from me. On false criminal charges that they brought against me. These people are family, ex-lovers, and ex-friends. Because an enemy cannot betray you, only somebody from the inside. An enemy cannot betray you, only someone from the inside. Now, I've been taking notes about times, days, tag numbers, because I knew that something was going on behind my back. What they say, ongoing investigation. They opened up an investigation about me with false statements that they made under oath. They teamed up with ex-co-workers, ex-lovers, and jealous family members. All so that they could steal documents about an inheritance that was left to me. This inheritance was left to me. So they came up with I wouldn't say a brilliant idea. They came up with a stupid idea. Because when you play stupid games, you win stupid prizes. So they had me locked up in a crazy house. I don't even see how that even happened. How that was even allowed, the way that transpired. I got that on video too. So if there's any real investigators out there, if there's any real law enforcement out there, I'm being stalked by my neighbors right now. Every time I go outside, they got a new recruit out there thinking I don't know who they is. They got a new recruit out there as if I don't know a new booty when I see one. Let's let that pass by, but this message is an urgency. This message is a message of urgency. The church teamed up with the golden child instead of the chosen child. And he was only the golden child because he was trying to steal what was left of me. He was stealing what was left of me. But God allowed this to be so for such a time as this. God allowed it to be so for such a time as this. And like I said, there's a woman named Santana Warren. She lives in Palatka, Florida, Putnam County. She attends Victory Worship Center. This woman knows all about this. But she didn't think that it would go this far. She did not think it would go this far. But it looks like she thought wrong. Looks like she thought wrong. Y'all, every time I get to preaching this message, they always start. Them Edomites always start with that loud noise, all the sirens, they always start that. When I ain't preaching no message, you don't hear none of this really. The moment I get ready to do a video, get ready to pray or worship, there you go. So, yeah, like I said, these people have hidden court dates from me. They have pretended to be me in court. They have sealed records and closed hearings for a criminal case that was artificial, made up. I have called even my local courthouses and see did I have any court dates or upcoming. They told me no. We're gonna call again and get them on audio. We're gonna call and get them on audio again. Sealed records and closed hearings are sometimes necessary to protect sensitive information. There's no information that's too sensitive when it's concerning me. There is no information that is too sensitive when it concerns me. For those who seek to find a court date, the New York State Unified Court System offers online resources like web crime to search for criminal court dates. So we're going to try this website out. I don't know if it's for New York only, but we'll try it out and see how much information we are allowed before we actually call the courthouse to see how much they'll actually give us. Okay? So yeah, there's people, my identity has been stolen, and they have opened up all kind of criminal cases against me due to false statements. So they made oaths now. They took an oath. They swore that what they were saying were true. But come to find out, they were a bunch of liars trying to steal somebody's inheritance. They were paying people to stalk me and to kill me with my inheritance that they were stealing from an overseas account, an offshore account. Stay tuned.